students, class 9, 10, 11, and 12. All classes of students. Today I am going to tell to all of you how to write an inquiry letter. Inquiry letter has some fixed format which should be followed by letter writer. Actually, what is needed to write inquiry letter? First of all, we must come to know this way. This inquiry letter. Actually, what happens in your life whenever you feel need of anything in your life, then there are two situations before you. Either you are knowing very well about that object which is needed in your life. So if you are knowing very well about that object related to your life, then there is no need to think about that object, what type of which will what, how, when, etc. But second condition comes in your life when thing is needed or there is need of something in your life. But what happens? You have no idea about that object, or you don't know anything about that object. Then they in that condition, in that situation, when you are not knowing about that thing, that object, then what happens? You shall have to ask some about that object with something else, someone else, or anyhow you want to know. So for that purpose, you become in the mood of inquiry. Like whenever you shall have to ask something, then you become in mood of interrogation. You ask question with someone else, and same way inquiry is also made with someone else by the person who needs something particular object, not knowing about that object. Then and more than this, when inquiry is made, then what happens here, I think, according to me, need or necessity of longing and target, whatever be. And if you are knowing, then right, correct, good. Otherwise, you are not knowing, then here you done it. Inquiry. After inquiry, if things liked by you or you are satisfied with the reply of inquiry, then when inquiry is made, reply is done by that person to whom inquiry is made. जिससे इंक्वायरी की जाती है वह रिप्लाई देता है, and after reply you place order whatever be, and on placing order situation becomes that things are your reply comes timely, then you place order, and if does not come reply timely, then you okay that then either placing order, then you accept or cancel. If placing order and whatever is there, then either you accept that order place after placing order, or cancel if becomes late and you fulfill your need and necessities through other means. Then and after accepting order or cancel, if you cancel, then there is no need to write further. If you accept, then what happens? Then accept, then two situation comes. Either that thing becomes in good condition or bad condition. If good, then okay. If bad, then you write complaint letter. And what for what purpose complaint? Either to replace or either to return or replace, return, or you can say yes, only complain, nothing more in here. In this way, and this is the process. So you shall have to know about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 complaint letter and replacing or return. Since there are 6 type of letters are here, and in all these 6 type of letters, format is same. Yes. First number what is to be written at second number, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is the same. Only topic gets changed little bit, not a lot at all. So this is the need of writing inquiry letter, reply letter, pressing order letter, acceptance letter, complaint letter if thing is in good or bad sense, replace or return letter, etc. Now all this happens in the situation of any object, thing, material, etc. But sometimes what happens, you made inquiry to take admission related to any institution, fees, etc. also. Then what happens? When you write inquiry letter, reply comes to you, and after that you don't place order because you can't place order for the school form, etc. You shall have to come at school. So your inquiry and reply stands here, and after that you may the placing of order, you may write the letter to take admission, request, etc. in the shape of form by taking the form from the school, etc. So this is all this about the need of the inquiry, etc. Now I would like to explain the inquiry related to admission. Here you are Rakshak Rutika, your name. You want to take admission in SSD public school, not only SSD, anywhere. Any SSD public school, he is representing any educational institute like tuition, coaching, any computer course, startup, any educational institute. In class 7th standard, but first of all, you want to know about courses being run by school. उस institute, उस school में what type of course is being taught, or what facilities are there, fee monthly, what is transport fee, books expenses, etc. And all these problems or all these objects of things refers to the whole institute, and all these are in whole institute. So you shall have to write an inquiry letter to the school. मीन्स आप स्कूल में एडमिशन, इंस्टीट्यूट में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं, वहाँ पढ़ना चाहते हैं, वहाँ की कोर्सेज के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, भले आप एडमिशन ना लें, या आपको कहीं एडमिशन लेना है, 2-3 स्कूल में से आप डाउट में हैं किस में लें, हर स्कूल की जानकारी आप चाहते हो दें. In that situation, you want to take the knowledge of each and every school to 3 schools, and you want to take admission by comparing all of those in any one of them, then you shall have to write them, then that is the inquiry letter to each and every school, and after coming inquiry reply of that inquiry letter, you will be able easily to decide in which school you are to take admission, in which school you are not to take admission. And inquiry letter, here you are resident, that is the here is your resident, your name is here, to whom लिखना है, so you are to write to the assistant public school. So what will be the format? Add first number at the left hand side top corner, not in it, left hand side on the page, left hand side at the top corner. you shall have to write your address first of all. Means the person who is writing letter, that will be the address. After writing the address, the person who wants to make inquiry, you shall have to mention here your date. I think everyone is knowing very well what is date. So it is today 21st. Means if on this day, your date will be mentioned on the same day on which you are writing letter. So 21st, sorry, 1st June 2020. This is the date. Second number, date is there. This is there. And then after that, the third number, you will mention the address, whatever person, chairperson of that institute. So you want to know from the assembly of the institute, here you can write the principal, or you can say director, whatever you can write here. SS A public school. Now, school is situated whatever its address also should be mentioned here. Okay. Jaman. This is for means at first place you shall have to write your address, means the person who wants to make inquiry, who wants to know something. Second number, you shall have to mention the date of your whatever date on which you are writing. And third number, you shall have to principal the presiding, that is the chairperson of that institute or shop or whatever be there. The principal, director, whatever be there. And after that, at fourth place, after writing the principal, director, whatever be there, manager, you can also managing मैनेजर आपका शॉप और मेसर से चल रही है। उसके बाद उसका नाम इंस्टीट्यूट का है, उस दुकान का, शॉप का है, जहाँ आप लिख रहे हो उसका नाम, बुक पब्लिशर का पोस्ट लिखना, बुक पब्लिशर का प्लेस, कंपनी का नाम, जैसे बुक डिपो या इलाहाबाद लाइसेंस वगैरह भी दे। आफ्टर दैट एड्रेस, एंड आफ्टर दिस एट फिफ्थ प्लेस you will write here the subject, means on which what do you want to know, that main subject must be mentioned here. And what here you want to take admission specifically regarding the first of all you want to know about the courses being run by the school, transport fee, book expenses, all that. So you shall have to mention here in subject A and you inquiry about courses, fee, transport fee, books, expenses, etc. In this way you will get, and after that sixth place you will write the greeting word, that is man, etc. And if that is the Mesa Sashita, then you shall write sir first of all, you come to know the sir and now after this you will write so my inquiry later, I request to know how to inquire about fee structure. This is the there is the end of ask you this, so I am going to raise this question is here. You can write this question in beginning on your copy, and then you may learn. There will be no problem. So like after say about fish structure, transport, feed, goods, expenses, etc. From side. Actually, what happens, sir, after sir 941 degree goes from your side, you shall have to express yourself. Means whatever you are going to know or going to inquire. And after this changing para, you shall start to write I am or I have been class 6 students last year, but now I am search of where school to receive education and further next to start classes you this I am writing you. I want about your sad doubts in my mind. Again, I am going to raise this in my mind. If I have been of good character, I like, etc. After this, you will be able, if I if doubt is clear, then I will be obliged to you, and I also that if my education is taken, I shall try my best to satisfy my teachers. And after this, in this way, actually what happens, In this way, you are able to express yourself and your main purpose. What do you want to know and what is purpose behind writing inquiry letter has been given here. You have described here. Now you are presenting your humbleness and need before the school. So you shall have to fulfill all these formalities, polite and politeful formalities, so that school may be attracted towards you. Your language should be polite and humble and in clear form. And here you have written, I have been class student last year, but now I am in search of a student school to receive education in next classes. Due to this, I am writing to you. So okay, but here you may also add, for if you want, you are more than two students, there are two or three students, two brothers of the same father, then you may write, also mention here whether fixed in more the we have, we are three brothers, or I have three brothers more, and if whether any fees exemption is allowed or not. You can add all these here, this para, and if fees exemption is allowed, up to what extent, what percentage will be, what are the conditions and other rule and regulations related to that is the biopractical, lab practical, chemistry, math practical, and other classes if you want to take admission for math science. We will describe here all these should be mentioned in here, this para here, that is after second para. You may also describe here, if you are a commerce student, you want to take in commerce, now if this application is for 7th class, so this is the sufficient. If this subject or this application inquiry letter becomes for the commerce, that's 11th 12th admission, then you may mention here that you are the commerce student, you want to take for the commerce and there are a lot of subjects in commerce. So you may describe here whether any optional subject is school or not, what optional subjects are here, etc. You all these must be mentioned in here, this body of the main body of the letter, and then this is called the main body of letter, and all these are the complementary. So in this way, by inquiring about the courses, course related, etc., and then you will be able to succeed it. And at last, satisfy my teachers. I shall after this in this right, you can write here also ranking you, and lastly here your name. What was the name? Whatever name, X, Y, Z, that's all. Means whatever was name in question I am forgetting. So here you shall have to mention your name. That is the signature. Name, signature, whatever. That's all. And after this, in this way, your inquiry letter completes. Thank you very much.